Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your archived projects in Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your archived projects in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing your projects in Basecamp, you know that sometimes your customers are going to come back to you and ask you for specific details about a project you are working on. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your archived projects, you're going to click right here, View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 buttons right here. And you want to click on this one right here, Archived and Trashed. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your archived projects. You can see this one has archived listed next to it. So you can just click on it. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the details about that particular project. And you can even restore it by clicking on this blue button here at the top. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your archived projects in Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.